Ever wonder why the rich keep getting richer, even when the economy looks bad? It's not just luck or connections, it's how they think and invest differently. In this video, we'll uncover 5 wealth-building secrets the rich quietly use, that anyone can apply. Welcome to Money Talks, the channel where we make smart finance simple. Today, you'll learn the hidden strategies that separate wealthy investors from everyone else. If you're serious about building wealth, you'll want to pay attention to number 3. It's the biggest mindset shift of all. The wealthy don't chase shiny investments. They buy cash flow. They ask, will this make me money every month? Not just, will this go up in price? That's why they prefer assets like dividend stocks, rental properties, and businesses that generate passive income. The rich play the long game. While most investors panic during market dips, wealthy investors see opportunity. They understand that compound growth needs time, and emotional control is their biggest edge. Wealthy investors don't fear debt. They understand good debt. They borrow at low interest to buy assets that produce higher returns. They use leverage as a tool, not a trap. Visual, animation of borrowed funds creating positive return loops. The rich never rely on one income stream. They build wealth ecosystems, investments in stocks, real estate, private equity, and even digital assets. When one slows down, the others keep working. While most people ask, is it expensive? The rich ask, is it valuable? They invest in knowledge, mentorship, and systems that multiply results. They know the best returns often come from what you learn before you invest. If you're learning something new, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Your future self will thank you. The difference between the rich and everyone else isn't access, it's awareness. Now you know the 5 principles they live by. Start applying them today, and watch your mindset and money grow. Subscribe to Money Talks for more weekly videos that help you invest smarter.